5 ways attraction influences consumer behavior. Attractiveness is more than looks. It's confidence, personality, and authenticity. Attractive individuals often make stronger, more favorable first impressions. People tend to associate physical attractiveness with qualities like competence, trustworthiness, and likability. Attractive people often exhibit higher levels of self-confidence, which can be perceived as confidence in the product or service they're selling. Enhanced persuasive power means that attractive salespeople may have an easier time convincing customers to make a purchase. Increased engagement allows salespeople to better communicate the benefits of their product or service, leading to more successful conversions. Trust is a crucial factor in sales, and attractive salespeople may find it easier to build rapport and credibility, leading to higher sales success. Follow us for more tips and strategies.